So now 38th pattern, guys. What we do now? 38th pattern, right? 38th means it's combination of what here in our case, combination of 30 plus which one, 37, right? 37, guys. All of you. Okay. So already it's combination of our two patterns, two programs. Individually four programs, right? All of you, actually it's a combination of four patterns, guys. It's combination of four patterns actually. Let us take this one here. One second, guys, here. Right, that one. And here also. Right. Just observe here. Just observe here, all of you. So first, see, this is the see, this is the okay, one pattern. Okay, it's one pattern, and this is the pattern, right? And same here also. This is a new pattern. Means total it's collection of four patterns, guys. That's all. All of right. Okay. It's collection of four patterns, but already in our case, so this one is over as one part. We have done this one as a one program. All this one over, and we have done the second as a another program, right? We can make as a two combination of two programs in our case. Okay, all of you. Okay, what we do, I think you understand both programs, right? Which one, 30, 37, all of you? Pattern 38, right? We'll try now. Pattern 38. This combination of which one, guys? We have taken 30, 37, right? Okay. Instead of again explaining the same program already is available, right? So I take that one. Already same program available with the complete debugging also, right? And then which program here? Right now, just one program over. All of you. That's all. Right? You can see now again each one is there. Okay, each pattern is there. Let us try now. I am giving the 5. That's all. right? So all of you, suppose in this case, if you don't take any for loop, suppose if you don't take this for loop, guys, then what will miss, you can observe here. Okay, you can observe, guys, this is the again one pattern, right? Or else let us remove this one and run the program. Then what happens here, the top one will not come, right? The top one will not come here. Okay, and suppose next one, uh, let's remove this k, then run the program. Then you can see now. Okay, so then what is happening here? So actually this part moving to forward, right? Because a space coming, right? Empty space coming, so moving forward actually. Okay, if you don't move forward, in that place you take the empty spaces. We should take the empty spaces to keep the program here. That means what I'm trying here. So here don't display the k, display the empty. Then you can see now like this I'm saying here, right? Here space is occupied and it is displaying like this. Okay, right. So that's fine, guys. This is the actually our required output, right? So I hope, guys, all of you you understand these programs, right? It's combination of two programs. In our case, 30 and 37, and both programs already explained with clearly. Right. So fine, guys. We'll stop it now. Next class we'll discuss some other patterns, guys. Okay. Thank you all of guys. Thank you. Bye.